the biggest structure I've ever seen.
I know, it's so huge.
It's huge.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Thank you so much.
Nice, that's great.
Thanks.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It looks like a mojito, but it's not a mojito. It's like mint. Pretty good. You like this place?
I love it. I haven't even seen anything except the lobby yet, and it is crazy cool.
I don't think you can call this a lobby. This is like a space station. Look at it.
The Welcome Temple.
The Welcome Temple. The deposit here is 9 million rupiah. It sounds like a lot, but it's not that much really. But I feel pretty baller spending 9 million bucks in one go.
You're a millionaire.
It's basically just to cover the bar tab. It's time for one of Pia's super amazing, ultra awesome house tours.
Oh no! How do I open it? These tools are too No, this is no joke. I don't know how to. Ah, here we go. Hello!
Just carry on. No one will notice.
I was a real smooth operator.
Yeah, this is perfect. Okay.
Okay, so we've just arrived and put our bags in, but I think it's time that you get a nice little house tour of where we're going to be living for the next 4 days. And if I had my way, for the next 4 years.
Yeah, this is incredible.
It's so cool. So this is the living room. There are no walls at all. It's completely outdoors. Then over here we have our dining area, coffee machine, which is like so nicely hidden under that lampshade. And this is the minibar. And then out here is my favorite spot. This is where we sunbathe and look at this beautiful view. That drops down, there's a cliff, and then it's immediately beach. So we'll have to try and get some drone footage to show you guys that. Then we've got a beautiful plunge pool here. And I love how it's got a bunch of different steps there, so you can just relax and look at the view there.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah, it's awesome, hey. And then you come through here, and this is inside. This is where Kane will be editing. And this way is the bedroom.
Wow,
I know.
look at this place.
Beautiful high ceilings, great comfortable bed, and even a little couch area. And how cool's the TV?
Oh, this TV, I have to show you. When we do a vlog on this TV, it's going to blow your mind.
Yeah.
And that's all I'm saying for now. Please continue the house tour.
Well, the great thing with this bedroom is you can actually open all of these doors and all of those doors, so you still feel like you're living like completely outdoors. It's just amazing how like you kind of feel like you're just in nature. And then you come through this way, toilet, bathroom.
Whoa. This place, honestly, this looks like a movie set.
Look at the ceilings. And you even get to like sit and watch me get ready.
Oh, the joy.
Oh! Wow! Oh, that's hot!
Yeah, it's burning my leg, it's splashing
Yeah,
on
that's
me.
super hot. That must be the hot one. So here we have some beauty essentials like, oh, look, they have the parfum.
Ooh.
Okay, so guys, if you're watching this on a phone, make sure that you click the like button. Make sure you hit it because we've activated smelly vision. So if you hit the like button now, ready? You're actually going to be able to smell this.
You gotta hit the like button so it's coming through the speaker.
Can you smell it? Here's, I feel like I'm laying claim to this one.
That's fine. I'm left-handed. I'll have this one.
Yeah. And then even like a little section for hair and makeup, which is awesome. I love that.
You're never going to leave this bathroom, are you?
I never want to leave this
How was
place
Bali?
ever.
Great. The bathroom was epic.
And then look how beautiful this shower is.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that view from the shower.
You know what?
I'm not going to turn this one on.
In this place, every angle is a good angle.
I know, right? If we can't get good photos here, we're fired. So that is our room tour.
So last night I ate 3 different desserts because they all looked real good.
So it's time to hit the gym.
I hate myself.
Oh, babe! Did you just walk into this?
Slam my head into that.
How are you even tall enough for that?
You're a little bit shorter than me.
Oh wait, it gets much smaller. Did your hat hit this?
Have I cut myself? I don't think I can train now. Injured myself.
No, that's it. You had a cheesecake yesterday. We're training.
40.
40.
40. Yeah, sorry. Too many things in my head. Here you go, that's your phone.
We're getting off to a really good start today. How was your workout?
Yeah, good. Yours?
I didn't feel like I did enough.
Oh, really?
No.
Yeah, I saw that you were just rolling on a foam roller the whole time.
Hey! I always feel better when I work out in the morning.
I know, right?
Even though I hate waking up, I do feel good now.
It's always worth it, and you always feel good for the day, and then I feel like you deserve a bit of brekkie, and then we
Yep.
can have a really nice day exploring this.
Well, now I feel like I could have ice cream for breakfast and be fine.
That's not really the idea. Off to the swimming pool.
Pia insists that I put it on my head because apparently it doesn't match her style at this particular moment in the day. So we are here with Bulgari, the jewellery brand, but they also own this beautiful hotel. So we are taking some shots of some great sunnies and some of their new range of bags from the Serpenti range at the Bvlgari Hotel, which is super cool. Alright, we're just taking some Instagram shots and then we're going to head to the beach.
They're awesome.
Are they good?
Yeah, really cool.
It's hard to take a bad photo in a location like this.
I know. It's like every angle is ridiculously
Even
beautiful.
now, this looks incredible. There's all these triangles. Look behind you. Right, can you grab an iPhone cable, please? Okay. Memory card, this thing. Alright, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try and squeeze that in. Babe, are you ready? Babe.
How about you? So to get to the beach, there is an elevator. Apparently it takes like 3 minutes to get down there.
Yeah, it's a really big elevator.
Oh my gosh, look up ahead. Look at what we're walking at.
Oh man. Hello, how are you? You come in?
Yes, please.
Thanks.
Oh my gosh, is it
Oh,
open?
it's open. Okay, this has suddenly become way cooler.